Hello friends, welcome to Cook to Nourish. In today's episode, I'm going to share 3 of my favorite smoothies which you can have either for breakfast or as a snack. The first one, beet and berries. So I have about 1/4 of a large beet that I have peeled and chopped into small pieces. And then I have 2 celery stalks, all organic vegetables if possible are recommended since you are, blending them raw. And then I have about 1 cup of mixed berries. I have frozen strawberries as well as cherries in here, but you could use any combination of berries. And I'm also using this Nutri-Blend or Magic Bullet blender. So this is for 1 serving. Then I added half of a ripe avocado and a little bit of water, like 1/4 cup of water. Again, if you have a different blender, then you may not need to add the water. For what I'm using, I like this Magic Bullet because I can just make 1 serving at a time and then just serve it in that same container. So I like that about it. Now, what I forgot to show in here is you could also add collagen in here. The next one is pumpkin pie smoothie, and here again we have 2 celery stalks. These are my favorite. I include it in all the smoothies because celery is so good for you, right? And then in this one I also add carrots. So this is about like 1 medium carrot chopped up, and then half of a banana I have in here, and then again half of a ripe avocado. And then pumpkin, I have canned pumpkin, organic pumpkin puree, which is about half a cup. Now, in general, in all the smoothies, I like to add a lot of vegetables, some fruit, some good fat, which is avocado or coconut milk, because these are AIP. If you're okay with nuts, then you could also include nuts for the fat component. And for the protein, I add some collagen protein, so that is 2 scoops generally of collagen protein, collagen peptides. And then in this one I also add coconut milk for blending. Otherwise I generally use water. Now I'm adding about 2 tablespoons. As you can see, this coconut milk has kind of thickened up, so I may need to add extra water. Now here, because this is a little bit on the savory side with the pumpkin, I add a dash of sea salt. Trust me, it makes it taste really good. And then I have some spice. Now I'm adding pumpkin pie spice. You could just add cinnamon if you are still elimination phase. And then I'm going to blend it up. I may need to add some water because of the coconut milk being a little thick. So there you go. I'm adding about 1/4 cup of water. Again, the amount of water that you may need will depend upon what blender you're using. If you're using like this 1 serving Magic Bullet, you will need to add some water to blend. And there you go. That's your pumpkin pie smoothie. It's really absolutely delicious. This is a little bit on the less sweet side. However, if you can make it sweet by adding some more coconut milk on top, and I like to add sometimes, not always, but sometimes, like a dash of maple syrup on top, so then it becomes like a real treat. You could also sprinkle some more additional pumpkin pie spice or cinnamon spice on top. That's a real treat, trust me. Next is our green smoothie, which is really good for detoxing. Again, we start with 2 celery stalks, and then I have green apple, organic green apple, about 1/4 of an organic green apple chopped up, and then I have half of a medium zucchini. So as you can see, I really focus on getting in a lot of vegetables there. And then I'm going to add a couple handful of spinach leaves. Now I'm going to do this in part just because again I'm doing this in a like a 1 serving Magic Bullet one where I can't fit everything in together. So now I'm adding half of a ripe avocado. Again, I'm kind of doing it in parts because it's full now. I'll blend it, and then when there is more room, then I can add more of the spinach. But again, I wanted to give you these recipes, to give you an idea of all the different things that you can do. Now, mango is the one that imparts sweetness, and I use frozen mango in here. Again, blend it, and I've already added water, so it should be fine to blend. And there you go. That's how it looks. And again, yeah, I need to add a little bit more of the spinach, so I'm going to just add that again. I really want to make sure this smoothie is loaded with greens, so a little bit more water to blend, and that will make it perfect. There you go. That's the green smoothie. Thank you for watching. Hope you can try these recipes. Please don't forget to like and to subscribe to my channel. Thank you.